How to pay someone with Venmo. Hey everybody, if you'd also like to do so in today's video, we'll be explaining how. So for that, first of all, open up the application Venmo on your screen and you should be finding this particular interface. Now what you may do is look out for the pay or request button. Usually you can find it on the middle of your screen in the dashboard. Tap on it and this pops up so you can search for the recipient using their name. Venmo username, just go ahead and type it in here, or you can scan or show the QR code for easier access. After you do so, after you find the person, you can just go ahead and tap on the person and enter the amount, and you can even add up a note if desired. After that is done, you can look out for the pay option on your screen and tap on pay and confirm that you would like to pay that particular amount to someone. So just go ahead and enter it up, confirm it, tap on this confirmation pay, and once you do so, the amount will be transferred to the person that you're sending it to into. And that is it. So if you'd also like to pay someone with Venmo, you can head over and follow up these easy steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.